Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 956 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. Right at the top, we have the privacy, please wait and clean up room switches with the various light switches for the room below it. Here we have the climate control panel for the living room. And here we have the entrance to the half bathroom. As we enter, we have the toilet in the middle, a bin off to the left, toilet rolls right there, lots of storage, power outlet, huge mirror, and the sink is in the middle with a bar soap right there and a box of tissues over there. Okay, so this is the view that you get as you enter the room. We have artwork right there and right there. The sofa area with this long sofa and two armchairs, a table in the middle with a magazine and a TV remote. And the TV is a flat screen LG unit. There's another table right there with a power outlet. And right over there we have the pantry area. Power outlets and a light switch. The guest services directory and in-room dining menu. Coffee machine. Kettle. This coffee making thing. 4 bottles of water. And here we have all the tea and coffee making stuff with glasses, mugs and cups. Ice bucket or storage. And here we have an empty fridge so you can put your own items in there. The bin is down there. It is a dual bin setup, so we have the recyclable items on one side and the regular waste on the other side. Okay, here we have the entrance to the bedroom. And as you enter the bedroom, we have the dining table right there. One of 2 balconies right there. And it is dark out right now, so I won't show you the view now, but I'll show you the view later in the morning. Artwork, a light. The bed, it is a very comfortable bed. On the right bedside table, we have the in-room telephone, a clock, writing materials, another TV remote, and we have various light switches, a couple of USB-A ports, and a power outlet. Above, we have a light and a reading light. On the left bedside table, we have the same sort of like design bedside table, but it is empty. But we still have light switches, power outlet, USB-A ports, and lights right above. Here we have a place to put luggage. Another sofa-like thing right there, and right there. Another table, and some welcome chocolates. And here we have the second balcony, which I'll show you later when it is in the morning. And the second TV for the room, also an LG TV, is right there. Okay, a mirror with the climate control panel for the bedroom. Here we have drawers, in-room safe. No place to hang items above, but we have storage right at the top. here we have the ironing board, iron, torchlight, place to hang items on, hangers, bathrobes, in-room slippers below, and right above we have storage. Opposite the wardrobe, we have the entrance to the main bathroom. Mirrors right there and right there. Hello. Power outlets and USB-A ports. Here we have the bathtub area. To the left of the sink, bottles of water, glasses. Below, towels. That black box is all the bathroom amenities, and we have hand towels above, a box of tissues, bar soap, the sink, more towels, and here we have the shower area. And as usual, it is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. And there we have the usual shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. Place to sit. Another bin. The toilet. More toilet rolls. And there are actually two doors to this room. Oh, before that, more light switches for the bedroom. Okay, so there are actually two doors to this room, 956. So we have the main door that enters to the living room, and this secondary door that enters to the bedroom. So as we come up here, and we enter back through the main door. Okay, so I forgot to film the view out of the balcony the next morning after I filmed the previous clip. So I'm actually filming this on the day of my checkout, which is like 19 days later. But yeah, the view out of the first balcony, you can see the roof, the highway in the distance, IOI towers, the hotel's pool below, Palm Garden Hotel in the distance, the east wing of this hotel. And it's actually not a bad view. I kind of like the rooftop view as well. And this is the first balcony, which is next to the dining table. Okay, so this is a view out of the second balcony. Obviously, we see pretty much of the same view as the first balcony, but we can also see the road leading up to the hotel. More of the greenery area next to the hotel. But we still see the hotel's pool, the east wing of the hotel, Palm Garden Hotel in the distance, IOI towers, and in the distance right there, the highway in front of the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 956 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.